2. Birds' flying habits, claws and beaks. Hi friends! Flight is the primary means of locomotion for most birds and is used for breeding, feeding, and predator avoidance and escape. Claws on a bird's foot are actually specialized scales formed into thorny sheaths. Claws grow continuously and are worn away through daily activity. The beaks of birds have multifunctional advantages like human hands. They employ them to undertake, protect, assemble food, groom, and build dens for themselves. In this lesson, you will learn about the flying habits, claws, and beaks of birds.
2. Birds' flying habits, claws and beaks. Flying habits. We all love to look at the birds and listen to their songs. They are the most beautiful animals on the earth. Can you fly like a bird? No. Why? Because we don't have wings and light bodies. Anything that has to remain up in air must be light. Otherwise, it will fall down. What makes a bird fly? A bird's body consists of the head, beak, leg, feathers, tail, wing. A bird's body is shaped like a boat so that it can float in air easily. Their bones are hollow and filled with air. This makes them light and strong.
The tail of a bird acts like the rudder of a boat. It helps the bird to change the direction during flight.
Activity. Kinds of feathers. A bird's body is covered with feathers. Each bird has different kinds of feathers. Some of the feathers attach to the body and keep the body warm. These feathers are called down feathers. Some feathers remain attached to the wings and the tailbone and help the bird to fly. These feathers are called flat feathers. How do birds fly? When a bird wants to fly, it flaps its wings up and down. When the bird flaps its wings, the air under the wings pushes the bird up and it goes up into the air. Once it has reached high enough, it does not need to flap its wings anymore. Tail feathers help the bird to change its direction during the flight. During flight, the wings perform two types of movements. 1. Downstroke. When the wings move downward and forward, the movement of the wings is called downstroke movement. 2. Upstroke. When the wings move upward and backward, the movement of the wings is called upstroke movement. Activity. Make a list of flightless and aquatic birds. 5. Some birds cannot fly at all. They move on the earth with the help of their legs. They are called as flightless birds. Common examples are kiwi, penguin, ostrich. 6. Birds which live in water are called aquatic birds. These birds have webbed toes which help them to swim in water. Water birds have oil glands which do not allow the feathers to get wet or spoiled by water. Therefore, these feathers are called waterproof feathers. Common examples are ducks, swans, cranes, seagulls, and pelicans. Feet and claws of birds. Birds have different shaped feet and claws. The feet and claws are helpful in catching, holding, and eating food, walking, climbing, swimming, and perching. They also protect them from enemies. The shape of feet and claws of birds are suited their feeding habits and way of life. One. Perching birds. Perching birds like crow, sparrow, and mynas have 4 toes, 3 in front and 1 at the back. Their toes help them to hold the branch of a tree very firmly, so that they do not fall. This act is called perching. Perching helps the birds to sleep at night without falling. They also hop on the ground easily. Class of a crow. 2. Climbing birds. The climbing birds like the parrot and woodpecker have 2 toes pointed upwards and 2 toes pointed downwards. These toes help them to climb up and to cling to the tree. Class of a parrot. 3. Praying birds. Praying birds like the eagle, hawk, owl, and vultures have strong sharp claws. These claws help them to catch their prey. These claws are called talons. Talons help to catch and hold their prey firmly. After capturing an animal and killing it, they use their beaks to tear the flesh. Toes of an eagle. 4. Scratching birds. Hens have the habit of scratching the earth to search for their food, seeds, and worms. They have sharp and hard claws. These birds have strong legs with 3 long front toes and a short back toe. Scratching birds walk and run on the ground. Toes of a hen. 5. Wading birds. The birds which can walk over shallow waters are called wading birds. Paddy bird and crane are wading birds. These long-legged birds with spreading toes can wade through muddy water. Their legs do not sink into the mud, nor do their bodies get wet. Toes of a crane. 6. Swimming birds. Swimming birds like ducks and swans have webbed feet. These push the water away like paddles, and they help the birds to glide along easily. Webbed feet of a duck. Activity. Make a list of flesh-eating birds and swimming birds. Beaks of birds. Birds do not have teeth and cannot chew their food, but they use their beaks to cut, tear, open, crush, and chisel the food which they catch. Beak is also used to trim or for preening the feathers. The shape of the beak indicates what food a bird eats. 1. Small, hard and pointed beaks. Birds which eat grains, seeds and cracked nuts have small, hard and pointed beaks. Common examples are sparrow, pigeon, peacock and finch.
Seven. Long, thin and pointed beaks. A sunbird has a long, thin and pointed beak. It uses its beak to suck nectar of flower.